Did you know your gut could be hiding up to 2 kilograms or almost 5 pounds of old, hardened waste? Most people carry this without ever realizing it. It sits quietly in the intestines, producing toxins, draining your energy, affecting your mood, and slowly weakening your overall health. And the craziest part? You don't need expensive detox kits. You don't need strict diets. You don't need harsh supplements. Just a few simple ingredients, things most people already have at home, can begin cleansing your intestines within just 5 nights. In this video, we'll reveal an ancient, time-tested gut cleanse that supports digestion, immunity, weight control, sleep quality, mental clarity, and emotional balance. So make sure you watch until the end, because the small routine you learn today could completely reset the way your body feels. 1. The hidden danger. Inside your gut expanded. Your intestines are one of the most complex systems in the human body, around 23 feet long, full of twists, bends, folds, and microscopic pockets designed to break food down and absorb nutrients. But over time, especially with processed foods, low-fiber diets, stress, and dehydration, small food particles get stuck in these folds day after day, week after week. These trapped particles harden like glue, forming a thick, sticky layer on the intestinal walls. This buildup slows digestion, blocks nutrients, and allows toxins to re-enter the bloodstream, a condition sometimes described as auto-intoxication. This buildup affects your metabolism, your immune response, your mental state, your skin health, and even your hormones. After age 50, it gets worse because enzyme production drops, the intestines move slower, muscles weaken, gut bacteria imbalance increases. This leads to chronic bloating, constipation, gas acid reflux, stomach heaviness, fatigue after meals, frequent headaches, poor nutrient absorption. And most people think this is normal, but it's not. It's a sign your gut is asking for help. 2. Your second brain in trouble? Deep expansion. You've heard the phrase, listen to your gut. It's not a metaphor, it's actual biology. Your gut contains over 100 million nerve cells, forming what scientists call the enteric nervous system, your second brain. It communicates constantly with your actual brain through the vagus nerve. And here's the shocking part. 95% of your serotonin, the hormone responsible for happiness, confidence, relaxation, and emotional stability, is made in the gut. That means a toxic, congested gut doesn't only affect digestion, it affects how clearly you think, how anxious or calm you feel, how well you sleep, your motivation, your ability to concentrate, your mood throughout the day. Ever wondered why? You get irritated easily? You feel tired even after sleeping? You lose motivation for no reason? You feel anxious or down? Sometimes the reason is not emotional. It's biological, like coming directly from the gut. In fact, modern researchers call the gut the control center of mental well-being. 3. Why most solutions fail? Extended section. When digestion goes wrong, people try laxatives, detox teas, harsh supplements, extreme dieting, juice cleanses, colon cleansers, probiotic pills, high-fiber diets overnight. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Most of these are temporary fixes. Laxatives force the intestines to contract unnaturally. When used repeatedly, they weaken the gut, making it dependent and even slower than before. Detox teas often dehydrate you more than they cleanse you. Restrictive diets are impossible to maintain long-term and usually create nutrient deficiencies. Probiotics help, but only when your gut is clean enough for them to actually survive and grow. So what's the real long-term solution? A method that supports natural bowel movement, reduces inflammation, improves motility, cleanses gently, nourishes gut bacteria, works with your body, not against it. This is why the 3-ingredient gut cleanse stands out. 4. The 3-ingredient gut cleanse, deep breakdown. Ingredient 1, warm water. Warm water is the most underestimated healer. It relaxes intestinal muscles, softens hardened waste, improves circulation, hydrates the digestive tract, prevents morning constipation, encourages natural movement overnight. Warm water also boosts metabolism by waking up the digestive system. Ingredient 2, fresh lemon. Lemon is a natural detoxifier with vitamin C, antioxidants, citric acid. It stimulates bile production, helps break down fats, cleanses the liver, balances pH, reduces bloating, strengthens immunity. Liver. Detox is important because your liver is the CEO of digestion. Ingredient 3, olive oil or chia seeds. Option A, extra virgin olive oil, lubricants. The digestive tract eases movement of waste, reduces inflammation, stimulates bile, protects gut lining, flushes harmful toxins. Mediterranean cultures have used it for centuries for gut cleansing. Option B, chia seeds. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like substance. This gel sweeps intestinal walls, removes stuck waste, supports good bacteria, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces inflammation. It's like a natural broom inside your intestines. 5. How to prepare and use. More detailed. Warm 1 cup, 250 milliliters of water. Squeeze half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil or 1 teaspoon chia seeds. If using chia, let it sit 5 minutes. Mix and drink before bed 3 hours after your last meal. Important additional tips. Don't eat anything afterward. Don't use boiling water. Warm is ideal. Use fresh lemon, never bottled. Extra virgin olive oil only, no blends. If you have acid reflux, reduce lemon slightly. Repeat for 5 nights in a row. 6. What to expect. During the cleanse, greatly expanded. Day 1 to 2. You may notice stronger bowel movements, mild gas, slight tiredness, more bathroom visits. This is normal. Your body is beginning to soften the buildup. Day 3, the real cleanse begins. Heaviness reduces. Stomach feels flatter. Old waste begins to exit. Gas and bloating decrease. Day 4. You may experience larger, more complete bowel movements. Significant reduction in discomfort. Burst of energy. Clearer mind. Many people feel this is the breakthrough day. Day 5. The transformation. Better digestion. Clear mind lighter. Feeling improved mood. Better sleep. More mental focus. Less bloating. Maintaining the results. To keep your gut clean, drink lemon warm water in the morning. Add fiber-rich foods daily include chia, flax, oats, and fruits. Stay hydrated. Avoid overeating. Reduce sugar and processed foods. You don't need to be perfect. Even small improvements help your gut stay healthy. 7. Benefits beyond digestion. More detailed. This simple cleanse leads to powerful results. Better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, improved mental clarity, balanced mood, higher energy, less bloating, reduced inflammation, better sleep, stable weight, improved skin, healthier hair and nails. Your gut is connected to almost every system in your body. 8. Signs. Your gut is begging for help. Before we end this video, it's important to understand how to recognize when your gut is in trouble, because most people ignore the early warnings. Your body is always communicating with you. You just need to know how to listen. 1. Constant bloating or heaviness. If your stomach feels swollen even after small meals, or you always feel too full, this is one of the strongest signs that old waste is stuck in the intestines. Bloating happens when trapped food ferments and produces gas. A clear message that your gut isn't clearing properly. 2. Low energy. After eating, food is supposed to give you energy, but when your gut is congested, digestion becomes a heavy task. Blood flow shifts to your stomach, leaving the rest of your body tired and slow. If you feel sleepy, lazy, or mentally foggy after meals, your gut may be struggling. 3. Bad breath and coated tongue. A toxic gut creates toxins, and those toxins can move upward, causing bad breath, a coated tongue, or a constantly sour taste. Even strong brushing or mouthwash won't fix it, because the real problem is deeper inside the digestive tract. 4. Irregular bowel movements. Your gut should create smooth, complete bowel movements every day. If you experience constipation, straining, incomplete, emptying, or skipping multiple days, it means waste is staying inside longer than it should. 5. Skin problems. Your skin mirrors your gut. Acne, dullness, dryness, or rashes often point to internal toxicity. When the gut can't remove waste, the skin tries to help, and that shows up as breakouts or irritation. 6. Frequent mood changes. If your emotions swing from calm to irritated, or you feel anxious without a clear reason, your gut may be affecting your serotonin levels, the hormone responsible for happiness and emotional stability. A toxic gut makes a toxic mood. 7. Poor sleep or difficulty. Waking up. Your gut plays a major role in melatonin production, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. If your gut is inflamed or congested, your sleep becomes lighter, shorter, and less refreshing. 8. Unexplained weight stagnation. Even if you eat less, your weight may stay the same when digestion is slow. Why? Because poor gut function reduces metabolism and increases water retention and bloating. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being, physically, mentally, and emotionally. A few simple ingredients can create massive change. Because the body always knows how to heal, it just needs a gentle push. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who struggles with digestion. Comment your results below and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions, like water, lemon, and nature's healing oils, are the most powerful. Take care of your gut. Take care of your body. It's the only permanent home you have.